around it, the Chinook. It's very sleek. Here you have your awning. This is unlike all the other ones. When you're sitting here under the awning, there's no door here, or here, or here, or that big sliding door. There's no need for it because the door is in the back. And therefore, this whole space becomes your uninterrupted, undisturbed space for lounging, camping, enjoying. You put your table out, your chairs out, you're camping without having to walk in and out of it for any reason. Storage, look at that size of the storage underneath with nice sturdy doors. Another one here, and those are capable of accommodating long items. It's the Chinook Maverick all-wheel drive on the Ford chassis. It looks great. Great color, great paint. Very sleek. The windows, this is all glass, not paint. This whole thing is the glass, and this is the section where it opens. It's got the Truma Aventa heating. More storage down below, as you can see. More storage here. So there's, and it also has a generator on board. Here's your 30 amp plug, and down here you have all your water control system, your fresh water, winterizing, tank fill, everything that is controlled here with a light, and all your valves for your black tank, gray tank, etc. And it's here where you have all centralized in one simple area. And the Chinook Maverick is just beautiful. Very untraditional with the door right in the center, in the back. Makes it unique. The step is an easy fold up step. When you're ready to drive, simply undo it and you're good to go. The door, typical door. It's got a privacy shade, which is a nice feature. Screen door, nice sturdy door. A rear camera, nice sturdy lit handle to go in and out. So let's walk into the Chinook, as they call it, the sport car of motorhomes. As you know, the entrance is through the back, very unusual. And when you walk in, it's very impressive how this Class B feels so much bigger and spacious than the rest of the Class B vans. And it's a beautiful Ford chassis. And then you have this huge sofa back here with fireplace, this countertop that has the TV inside. Lots of storage up in here above the cab, and it's all go through with electrical AC outlets both sides in case you want to put anything to charge there. Then you have your EQ smart leveling system right here. You have the MCD privacy shades and then daytime shades available. A JBL Bluetooth speaker, more storage all above here, and they're all soft close. Very sturdy, very heavy, nice cabinetry. And then you have your kitchen here with a nice big sink with a cover on top, so it's perfect space for prepping and extra space. Nice faucet with extension. Windows. You have more shelving area here, but it's also covered with a soft leather cushions in case you want to utilize them for sitting or anything like that. Then you have your water tank right there, You have shelving here for storage, more storage underneath the sink. Then you have your pantry right there. And then next to the fireplace, more storage here. The seats swivel so you can bring them in. And this sofa is really, really comfortable. And then this actually lifts up, and here is your table. So it's got its legs, its leg mounts over there. And then when you put the leg and remove this cushion out of the way, and this out of the way, so that's your table. So this becomes your dinette. I'll try to put a picture of it so that you can see it and visualize it. And not to mention that this is a Murphy bed. So this whole thing comes down. Obviously you need to remove the cushions for it to come down properly. But when it does, you have this beautiful bed that basically is ready to go whenever you're ready to go to bed. All you have to do is just bring it down. You have reading lights over there, 2 of them, nice daylight shade, privacy shade, the windows open, slide, and you can actually keep your beddings on top of it with these straps, so you don't even have to make your bed because it's ready to go. Just make it once. When you're ready to be done with it, just push it up. All right, right here you have a latch that snaps on and keeps it in place. I put the cushions back, and then you have a huge sofa to be comfortable, and you have ducted AC all over. Isn't that van awesome? I'm sure many of you would love having a great time with that camper on the road. Not to forget, what about your pets? That what brings me here to this segment of this video, sponsored by Waggle. This Waggle RV Cam Mini, a must-have for all pet owners who travel and live on the road in their campers. This camera is amazing. As a happy Waggle monitor owner, I also loved this new camera. Waggle has sent this to me to try, and I have been trying it for almost a month now. This quick review is going to be an honest one, and let me tell you, I'm really happy with this. This camera is not just a regular camera, but it's filled with AI. It can differentiate between humans and pets, and it knows what it's recording, and it alerts you at the same time. It's a very small, easy to handle, easy to install anywhere in your RV. This camera does not necessarily have to be standing up. It could also stand upside down by attaching this mount at the bottom of it, and you can hang it anywhere in the RV or in your home. It has the capability of swiveling around. Once it detects the movement, it tracks it all around. It can detect and start recording and tracking the activity, or it can also be activated by sound. It is a membership required system, and that is only for the portion of the alerts. If you want to use it just like a regular camera, you don't need a membership. But if you want to have this device alert you when it senses anything in the RV, in the cabin, in your home, whether if it's an intruder or if it's your dog, your cat that is moving around for whatever reason may be, it will alert you and let you know what's going on. And it has an app that you can log in really quickly. And through the app, you can not only be able to watch your pets, you can also communicate with them. You can actually talk to them through this device. Also, it records the activities that it's been sensing, so you can actually go into the logbook and see what happened, what has been recorded. In combination of my Waggle temperature sensor in the cabin and now the camera, my dog Pretzel is fully safe. I am very happy with this. And if you want to have one of those cameras for your RV to protect your pets and watch them and make sure they're safe at all times, use our code WhereRVGoing15 for a 15% discount thanks to Waggle, or simply scan this QR code and it will take you right there. I'm really happy with this. And now let's go back to the show. Here next to the sofa you have a 2-burner induction cooktop with drawers underneath and a nice size cabinet on top. If you want to put your microwave or something like that, you could, but you don't need to because there's a microwave right here. Nor cold refrigerator with a freezer drawer underneath. And then you have all the light controls here: ceiling, accent, living fan, kitchen, backlight, and all the control unit right here, easy access. And then nice size shower. And not to mention, I'd like to remind you, we're in a Class B. So this is pretty nice size shower, very spacious. And then over here, right across it, we have a toilet. That's a huge toilet with cabinets underneath the sink. Beautiful, with a max air fan at the top. Porcelain toilet cabinet, medicine cabinet, nice big mirror, huge sink. Another max air fan right here. So again, let me remind you, you are in a Class B van, and having so much space for the shower, the toilet, the sofa, the Murphy, storage, like, it's unbelievable. And then you also have a closet right here, a huge hanging closet. Look at that. It's a full-size closet at the entrance. And all of your control panel is right here. Your Truma heater, your Chinook water heater, your gray tank, black tank, fresh water tank, control panel, all the lights and everything else that needs to be controlled. It's easily accessible right here. And it's got this beautiful door that is your access into the van from the back. Also, there's another storage right here next to the door with electric AC outlets. One thing I have to admit is the passage into the cabin or from the cabin to the cockpit is a little difficult as you're walking through. As you can see, it's very narrow and tight, hardly any headroom to play with, but once you're here, it's very spacious. You don't feel claustrophobic or trapped in at all. You have quite a clearance for your headroom, but again, passing through this little passage is not the easiest or the fastest, and especially if you're a taller, bigger individual, it will be a little challenging. That's all I have to say. But other than that, perfect. Again, it's a beautiful Class B van that doesn't feel like Class B. It's not claustrophobic at all. And here is all the beautiful Ford chassis has to offer. Comfort, safety. What else do you need? Chinook has it all.